welcome to pretty much me and my dad working on stuff. Right now we're going to work on that model. This is only like an intro, to be honest. Not a tree frog before we even did anything. So we're looking for tape. Any luck finding tape?
Got some masking tape right here.
Okay, that's good. So I gotta tape up the plastic parts and the stickers to survive.
Ooh, dragonfly.
Dragonfly, okay.
You're gonna come up in the building, checking things out.
Yeah, they're pretty much harmless. Unless you mess with them. So, yeah, they're pretty much harmless unless you mess with them.
What, dragonflies?
Yeah. Some of them can bite.
They don't hurt. They don't mess with people normally.
Yeah. Unless you mess with them, they might try biting you, but not
They
most of
don't
the
bite, they
time.
just fly off. They don't mess with us.
I heard some of them do. Hey, look, a dragonfly and a tree frog right next, pretty close to each other. Over there.
That almost worked out perfect, didn't it?
Oh. Okay. So taping that up. So we gotta make sure it doesn't mess up any of the parts. So we gotta tape up the tires where we at it. We are at it.
That's the
for a
plan.
second. I'm gonna speak for a second.
Your speech is messed up?
Yeah.
It happens.
I'm correcting. I can see, and the camera can see the dragonfly and the frog better.
They're right by each other.
Yeah.
Welcome to nature.
Yeah. It's peaceful. It's pretty. Nature's pretty peaceful.
Sometimes.
Unless there's a bunch of really loud
What's
frogs.
the noise? You heard that?
Maybe a bird. Other spider. Spider.
I don't know. Oh, that was a spider, huh?
Yeah. It's wandering away.
I'm gonna try my best to cover this chair up, the seat, whatever you want to call it.
Couldn't we just try removing it?
Maybe, actually. I should say that. I probably could.
No. We should try removing parts instead of
But
taping
at the
them.
same time,
You just tape that part then. You tape that thing really good.
I've never done this before, so I taped that. I taped it. Oh, that's some good English, right?
Yeah,
I put the
that's
tape
really-
on
that's what he
that little
knows.
rod to make that thing go up and down, and it just untaped it. Everything I just worked on, untaped it. I guess that's a word. I don't know. I'm not very good with English either, so.
Yeah. English is like a really hard language. Ugh, let me try holding the camera. I think you
Might have to get us a flathead screwdriver or something to take that chair out of there.
or try pushing from the bottom.
I just did that.
Oh,
It's
really good.
right in there pretty good.
Well, at least it's in there good, I guess.
Are you filming my face? All in your face! How's that? Hi people, I'm not sure what I'm doing here, but we're trying things here.
Yep, that's pretty much what our channel is. Whenever we try repairing anything. Oh, the frog left.
Yeah, I guess I had to get a screwdriver, maybe a little hammer or something. Pop that thing out of there, maybe. Or if anything, it's pried. It's got a little piece that holds it in, and then you pop it out. Hold on a second, let me go look and see.
Okay. I'm gonna look at the nature. That dragonfly. Nice and peaceful. Yours, Goose. This one. Don't even know what this thing is. Have any luck?
Yep, I got some pair of pliers. Got some
I was
screwdrivers.
just filming nature, and that
See, drive.
I didn't catch it on camera.
I'm gonna see if this comes
Because
out.
I look at nature for a few seconds.
Yeah, see, this pops out. Hey, dragonfly.
Yeah, the second
the
it
part that
popped
holds it
out,
in
a
there.
dragonfly came.
And then, boom, there goes the chair. See?
Oh, that's kind of.
And we'll put this aside.
Then we
can
could just wash it. Yeah.
Great minds think alike.
Yeah, and I also watch a bunch of videos of people restoring stuff online since this trend is pretty popular.
Well,
That's pretty
I
popular.
wasn't trying to do a popular trend. I was just trying to make this look better than what it does.
Yeah, our whole channel is just entertaining, to be honest.
I'm not a
we're not
trendsetter
here.
or anything, any kind of stuff like that.
Our channel's only here for entertainment. We're not really here to get, like, become famous.
I don't care if I become famous. I'm famous enough. I got a great kid, great kids, and beautiful wife. I'm good to go.
Mhm.
Okay, I scraped that off.
Do you think you would be able to get, my brain went oof, but, like, one of the parts off?
More of the parts off?
Yeah.
What more you want to take off?
Maybe that, and then we can sandblast that separately.
Well, we'd have to. I don't have a.
The tools for that?
If we take that, okay. Here's the thing. If we take that off, I don't have another one of those little pins to put back in place
Oh,
to replace that. I mean, we can use some. What's it called?
I don't know either.
I could take it off and we can put back. Either some nuts, bolts, or I have micro nuts, not micro nuts. That sounded horrible. Some mini sized screws and nuts that I could put on there, and plus, I can't think of the word it's called.
That's
I'm sorry,
bolts.
people. I just got home. I'm
screws.
tired still. What's it called again?
I don't know.
Wow. My brain is not functioning today.
Nope, it isn't.
It is called something, and I just can't get what it's called. I'm gonna try taping off that John Deere in the back, and we'll cover it.
We are
and I'll
definitely
get a
not
razor blade.
professionals.
Let's say it was. Never lied. Never tried to lie and say I was. That's for sure.
Not like the other channels that actually just don't speak at all. Some channels just repair stuff. Don't even talk or say anything about the thing.
Yeah, I'm gonna get a razor knife and I'm gonna cover it. I'm gonna cut that out. That way that John Deere doesn't go anywhere.
While you're getting that, I'm most likely gonna talk about the history of this thing.
Okay.
We don't know that much about history about it, to be honest. We only know a little bit.
So the only thing I know about it was somebody else's toy, and then now we have it. That's about it.
Well, it was someone else's toy and it got used as a yard or a prop thing, and then one of our neighbors got it, and then it got sent to us.
Oh, he let you take it home with him, yeah? With you, whatever.
Yep, well, a while ago.
Put this right here, that way we don't lose it. Step on it, whatever.
Can't even see in there. We definitely don't have to clean this workshop.
I don't. I need to, is what you're trying to say. I want to try to say something mean.
We don't technically need a clean workshop. We just need a workshop that's actually works at the workshop. That's all we need, to be honest.
I need to clean my workshop. I know. I say it just like anybody else.
Yeah, that's kind of cool. That's kind of cool looking knife.
There it is. See? Nice and covered up.
Yep. But while we didn't talk about for that, I'm confident. Look, you have to focus. Oh, you have to focus.
Well,
Then when to talk while you're focusing.
it's there. It's on there. And I pulled some other tape. The paint on here is pretty bad, so it's been sitting outside so long.
I'm not sure how many years, but I feel like it's a decent amount.
I
So,
guess
there's a lot of repair channels out there. I feel like we have like a jackpot of repair channel stuff.
Well, depends on what you're looking to do.
They do anything. Anything that they can turn into a video. I know a channel that would recycle repair freewheelers.
Yeah, there's a niche for everything.
Here's our next.
Whatever you're into, you can get a niche for it, you know? A niche, that's what people say.
Yeah.
I'm sorry, I'm not French enough for you. Okay, well.
We're kind of a little bit French, but not really.
Well, yeah, your heritage is French.
I'm filming this car. Filming the next car.
Yeah, my dirty car. It's
It's,
filthy.
it's nice, but it's pretty dirty. It's been sitting in here for like a month.
Yep, that's what happens every time I go home. Everything sits for a month, and then I gotta come
At least
back.
at least the interior's nice. Stays nice.
Hopefully. And then the rat didn't get underneath the hood of my car because there's a rat in this thinking building.
If
Yes,
it
there's a
does,
rat in my building. I know.
if it does, I want to get that thing killed.
I'm gonna be very upset if there's a rat that ever got underneath that car.
Oh, lawnmower. The old lawnmower. Yeah.
That's not a lawnmower, it's a trimmer.
Ah, trimmer.
Same difference.
My bad. It's a little bit different.
Oh, yeah. I gotta turn this light on.
There's a
Flip
light
this
in here.
switch, I see. Flip that switch.
There's more than 6 lights in here?
Huh?
I forgot to. I only see 6 lights.
Well, yeah, only those 6 are on. They don't need the other ones right now.
Oh, the glass.
I need to get.
Oh,
I
thank
broke
God.
that accidentally when I was putting this up.
Oh, I think I covered the camera a little bit by accident.
Oh.
Kind of.
I need to
wasn't-
replace that glass.
Might need to wipe the dust off too.
Watch yourself.
Not trying to get dust on the camera. Or me. And that's a little bit better.
A little bit.
Might have to prop the camera. Gotta find a way to prop the camera so it actually looks, so we can actually see what's going on.
No, you ain't gotta see what's going on until like. Well, we could remove that glass out of there for now.
Yeah, most channels usually show that.
I don't know. I don't do YouTube that much, but okay.
Yeah, you don't really use YouTube that much, to be honest.
I'll use the other people's repair channels.
There's a huge amount of repair channels out there, actually.
Let me get the airline to it.
There's actually fake channels that actually just post someone else's work. That is just.
Here, run that to that. Walk it over there.
Is it good?
Keep going. It's gotta go. Yeah. All right. I'll connect it.
It got heavy.
There it is.
So that means there's air in there?
Yes, sir. It's air. It's air. It's a plastic cabinet. And like I said, I need to get another piece of glass. I just haven't done it yet.
If you want, you can pause this and read it, but it doesn't really matter.
Steel plastic cabinet.
Steel plastic cabinet. Yep.
We're about to see. Hopefully nothing crawled up in there.
Ugh,
It's just dust from the plastic
a
cabinet.
lot. I don't have to get dust on the camera because I would have to rub it off. Because if I get dust on the camera, I have to rub it off.
Yep.
And if I'm still recording, that'll be weird.
All right.
Try not to do that.
That's it. Hopefully nothing in the fingertips, right?
True.
Okay.
Hopefully not a spider crawling there.
You can come over here and try to see what I'm doing. Come from the top, right there. You want to get something to stand on so you can see?
I'm trying to see.
Okay. I know it's very vague, but I want to work on the worst spot first, which is the bucket.
Yep.
Hopefully my sound's still good. It's been a while since I've used this. I'm trying to get it shook up a little bit.
Or we could just skip past this part.
Whatever, that's up to you. Your video.
Yeah, keep it like this. If anybody can watch on, you can just skip past something. I'm trying to make this video to like a one-part video.
Okay.
It'll be a long video.
Pretty much.
Pretty much. I said I used to do this a long time ago, like months ago. So I'm not trying to worry about all. We said we were going to do it. We're going to do it 21st. We're doing it on the 21st.
This ain't the 21st, but it's the 22nd.
That was like a one day off.
Yeah, I came home yesterday, so it's kind of hard for Daddy to get things done on the day that he just drove freaking 18 hours. Can you see anything at all?
Not really.
All right, well, just pause the video and I'll take the glass.